Now class third C. Class third C, and subject is GK. GK and date is 5 12 2025 12 2020. So today lesson 9, Tokyo, the biggest city. Lesson 9, Tokyo, the biggest city. The biggest Tokyo, the biggest city. So you see lesson 9 and page number 16. So with its population of 3 crores people, the capital of Japan, Tokyo, is the biggest city in the world today. So, Tokyo is the biggest city in the world today. Japan comprises 4 islands: Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. These are the 4 islands. Tokyo is located on the Honshu Island. So Tokyo Skytree is a restaurant. That is the Tokyo Skytree. Tokyo Skytree. Tokyo Skytree is a restaurant, broadcasting and observation tower in Sumida, Tokyo. It is 2080 feet high, making it the tallest tower in the world, displacing the Canton Tower in March 2011, and the second tallest structure in the world after the Burj Khalifa. Now, with 13 subway lines and more than 100 surface routes run by Japan Railways and other private companies, Tokyo's railway system connects almost all the metropolitan areas. So, you see diagram that a bullet train is there and the manga kissa is there. So, at a manga kissa or comics cafe for a few hundred in per hour, you get a tiny booth with a rec- uh, reclining chair, internet enabled PC, and endless supply of all you can read comic books and bottomless soft drink refills. So, next one is related to the museum and the Eco Tokyo Museum. Eco Tokyo Museum. Next one is related to the museum. One is the important museum, that is the Edo Tokyo. Edo Tokyo Museum. Edo Tokyo Museum is the best place to relive the old traditional style of life in Tokyo. When it was called Edo in the 15th to 19th centuries. And next one about the escalator. The world's shortest escalator can be seen at Kawasaki Moore's department store. The Guinness record holding height of the escalator is 83.4 centimeter, a distance equivalent to 2.7 feet. Now, one important thing is more, that is the Hanabi Tekai, that is Hanabi Tekai. Hanabi Tekai are firework festivals every summer. More than 20,000 individual fireworks are launched every year on average during the festivals. And architects Arakawa and Jins intentionally built the loft with uneven floors and other problems to constantly challenge the minds of Japan's elderly who would reside here. So, that was about the some important features of the Japan. So, once again, important terms are there, as Japan comprises four islands. One is Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu, and it is located, means Tokyo is located on the Honshu Island. So Tokyo is the biggest city in the world, and it is found, or it is located on the Honshu Island. And Tokyo Skytree is a restaurant, broadcasting, and observation tower in Sumeda, Tokyo, Japan. And Monga Kisa at a Monga Kisa or comics cafe for a few hundred yen per hour you get a tiny booth with a reclining chair, internet enabled PC, an endless supply of all you can read comic books and bottomless soft drink refills. And one important museum is there, Edo Tokyo Museum. It is the best place to relive the old traditional styles of life in Tokyo. Now, next is world's shortest escalator may be seen in the Japan. And also, that is the firework festivals, firework commonly called as the Hanabi Tekai. So, Tokyo has a huge number of major Hanabi Teikei or fireworks festivals every summer. So that's for today. Thank you.